In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a landing page and list in Getresponse. We're going to move through this in two simple parts. First, we'll create your email list, and then we'll build a landing page that connects directly to that list, so everyone who signs up on your page is automatically added to it. Let's start with the list. Once you're logged into your Getresponse dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and find the option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all of your subscribers will live, so think of it as the home for your audience. On the Contacts page, look for a button that says Create List. Click that to initialize a brand new list. Now you'll be asked to name your list. This name is important for keeping things organized, especially if you plan to have multiple lists later. Use a unique lowercase name and, instead of spaces, use underscores. For example, something like Fitness Leads or Webinar Signups. Once you've typed in your list name and you're happy with it, click Create to save it. Your list is now ready to receive subscribers. Next, let's create your landing page and connect it to that list. At the top of your screen, click on Tools, then choose Landing Pages from the drop-down menu. This will open the Landing Page Builder area. On this page, click the button that says Create Landing Page. You'll see different options, but to keep things fast and professional, Use a ready-made template. This gives you a head start with layouts that are already designed to convert. Scroll through the templates and look for one that matches your goal, whether that's collecting leads, promoting a free resource, or building a waitlist. When you find one you like, hover your mouse over it and click Select Template. This will open the drag and drop editor. Inside the editor, customize the text to match your offer and update any images to fit your brand or message. Take a moment to double-click on the Sign Up Form section. This is where people will enter their details, so make sure the fields, labels, and button text say exactly what you want. When your design looks good, click Next Step. In the Settings area, find Subscription Settings and open the Choose List drop-down. From there, select the list you created earlier. This connects your form to that list so every new sign-up is stored correctly. Finally, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Publish. Your landing page is now live and ready to start collecting subscribers into your new list.